In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slide animation to a page in Canva. If you want your design to feel more dynamic and polished, adding a slide animation between pages is a quick and effective way to do that. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also give you a few helpful tips so you get the result you want. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at your pages. Along the side, you'll see the page thumbnails, those small previews of each page. Find the specific page where you want the animation to take effect. This is important because transitions in Canva are attached to a page, and the slide animation controls how the view moves from this page to the next. Right-click on the thumbnail of the page you've chosen. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, click Add Transition. This opens the transition controls for that page, where you can choose the animation style and fine-tune how it behaves. Next, select Slide from the transition options. The slide transition moves the scene in a single direction, creating a clean, modern handoff between pages. It's a great choice for presentations, pitch decks, or social posts where you want movement without overwhelming the content. Once slide is selected, adjust the duration. Duration controls how long the animation takes from start to finish. A shorter duration feels snappy and energetic. A slightly longer one feels smoother and more leisurely. If your design is fast-paced or text-heavy, a shorter duration often keeps things feeling tight. If you're showcasing visuals or want a more cinematic feel, a longer duration can add polish. Small adjustments make a noticeable difference, so feel free to fine-tune until the timing matches your style. Now set the direction of the effect. Direction determines which way the page moves, left, right, up, or down, so choose what best supports your layout. For example, sliding left or right can feel like turning a page, while sliding up or down can mimic scrolling. Think about how your content flows and pick the direction that makes the transition feel intentional and natural. That's it. With the slide animation selected and your duration and direction dialed in, your transition is applied to that page. Keep your choices consistent across related pages for a cohesive look, or vary them subtly to emphasize a change in topic. Either way, you now have a smooth, professional slide animation guiding your audience from one page to the next.